Hope you're doing amazing. I've got a few more goodies to share with you guys. This is our Brighten Up Trio gift set. Brighten Up is Vasanti's hero product. We cannot keep it on the shelf. Everybody knows Vasanti for Brighten Up, and that's because it's a product that gives you instant results. It's an exfoliator, hydrator, cleanser, all in one. You see brighter, more radiant skin. I know a lot of people spend, hundreds of dollars on microdermabrasion treatments at med spas, and now you can do this at home. What's in here are dermatology grade crystals, 100% natural, which is good for the environment, but what it does is it really gets rid of layers and layers of dead skin that you would see on your face. It also has a mild surfactant in there for cleansing, so it does give you some deep pore cleansing out of it. And then there's a combination of coconut oil and of course aloe. Aloe is like one of the most important ingredients that we use in a lot of our skincare because of its hydrating properties, its anti-aging properties, cell regenerating properties. I can go on and on about aloe. It's just so good for you, and it's in the exfoliator as well. So the Brighten Up Trio are basically, it's a set of 3, the exfoliator, the moisturizer, and our new glow boosting serum. The 3 come together and it's all part of the Brighten Up family. So I guess I would say that Amplify and Glow Boosting are sisters to the hero, to the Brighten Up. I want to show you guys how these products work and what they look like. I can show you on my hand and you will be able to see a difference. First, I'm going to start off with the exfoliator. It's great to use in your shower, and what you want to do is just splash some water on your face first, and then take a little bit of this, and you need so little. It's like half a pea size drop, and then I'm just going to massage that right into my hand like that. What's great about this is that the crystals are so fine that they're not irritating, and I know like a lot of sensitive skin types can use this at least once a week, but we generally say to use this product 3 times a week. So there, I've just kind of massaged that in. Now I'm gonna remove it. Let's pretend I've got a sink in front of me and I'm gonna wash this off, right? But look at the difference there. I mean, I hope you can see it. I know this is, on video, but my skin just feels super soft and it smells great. So these are the 3 babies that are in that kit. You get the Brighten Up Trio. This is something you absolutely need if you've never tried. And what's great about this bag is you can put skincare or makeup in it. Whatever you want to put in this bag is wicked. Hope you enjoy. Bye.